Hello and welcome to this XtensionIT tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over how you can install the Shipmondo Shipment Connector in your Business Central environment through Microsoft AppSource. Once you've opened up your Business Central, we can find the extension marketplace by utilizing the search function in the top right corner. And then we'll type in extension marketplace. Then we're going to open extension marketplace up. Now, once this page has loaded, then we can utilize the search function here in the top right corner to type in XtensionIT Shipmondo. And then we're going to select the first available solution here. Now, once you open this page up, you'll get some information about the value proposition, the requirements, as well as how to get started. And once you feel adequately prepared to continue, then you can hit the free trial button here in the top left corner, and the one here. And then once you've gone through that, then you can select your preferred language. And once you've done that, then you can just hit the install button here in the bottom right corner, and the Shipmondo Shipment Connector will be installed in your Business Central environment. So thank you for joining me in this brief tutorial. If you'd like to see more tutorials such as this one, please follow the channel for more. And if you'd like to know more about XtensionIT and our solutions, there'll be a link in the description for our website. Thank you.